It's Justin Coe. It's a topless 330S. In a hurry, get back to work. I'm at the park. I'm gonna do the second flight. Let's do it. Normal mode, stable mode. Hands are off. Heli flies good. No secrets here. Woohoo! I think my roll rate's a little too high still. Trim it. That's why that field looks so good, guys, because I've been trimming it. So the head's got too much roll rate right now. Let's turn it down. So, see if I can get you in here. I'm gonna go to model adjustment, forward programming, throttle's high, hold mode, connect. Let's go to swash plate. Let's go to agility, turn it down. Okay, we turn it down to 85 if you couldn't see that. Rolls up at 420 right now. It's kind of fast. Let's see here. Let's take it down to 400. Or 100. Okay, you have to do the same to pitch. So as you can see, I play with my helicopters, try to get them where I like it the best. You know, the people building the helicopters think it's the best, and that's good. It is. They fly really good, but when you get advanced, you may want to tinker with it a little. Okay, so now we'll get out of that. So my agility is at 85 now, and the roll rate is actually turned up to 400 from stock. So we'll go back in. Normal. And give this a try. Stability mode. I'm old school. I always take off in normal mode. And then I click to idle up. Okay, let's give this a try. Okay, so we're going to turn the agility back up. It feels slow at 85 to me. So my roll rate could have been high. What agility does is make it either robotic or agile. It's too robotic for me right now. And I haven't been able to tell if I go down or up in order to make it robotic. So I'm gonna go back up and see how it feels. Forward programming, swash plate, agility. Let's try 100, so we can go different. There's 100 in your agility. Okay, back in.
Normal.
Still have kind of a cold. Sorry, I'm talking funny. Stunt one. That's better. Woo! Yeah, I don't know what it is. I gotta take rid of that agility. Going back down with agility. I can fly it anywhere. I'm searching for the feel that I want. It feels fine, but it's a little locked in, and I like my helicopters a little looser. So I think that the agility going up is more robotic, is what it seems like. Too robotic. Let's go way down. Agility's 100. Let's take it down to 70. Agility is now at 70. Roll rate is still at 400, I believe. Yep, 400 degrees per second. Oh, that's a little over 1 roll per second. Let's see.
Normal.
Okay, I'm gonna go to high head speed now. That's still pretty freaking good now. So yeah, if I went down to 70, it frees it up some. Feels really good now. I'm always nervous with a new helicopter though. I don't know why. That battery's probably toast. Safe mode. See where that battery's at? Oh yeah, 10.7. Won't fly any lower than 11 volts. That's probably not a good idea. So 10.7, we're landing. Flight pack voltage. You got all this information here on your radio. Let's see, go down to the back here. It's really nice and big. You do have RPM. I'm gonna show you that real quick here.
Normal.
Let's see if you can see it. So see it spinning there. It's coming up on the RPM, 1000, 1400. I'm gonna go ahead and keep it off. So you can see it has a 35% output, motor, blah, blah, blah. Hold mode. It's pretty cool. Still tuning, but I tuned for weeks, so we'll get it. Just keep watching. And I'll talk to everybody later.